Aloha. I'm Major General Kenneth Hara, the Adjutant General of the State of Hawaii Department of Defense. It is unfortunate that the leading cause of fatality in the state of Hawaii is suicide, with increased rates across the ages of 15 to 74. This is a topic that is not easy to discuss. In the midst of all life changes we are enduring this year, and as your commander and on behalf of the state leadership, we are here to show you that we support you and want all of you to know that your well-being is important to us. Reach out for resources when you need help. Connect to protect with those you care about, be it your loved ones at home or your battle buddy by your side. Be resilient, choose life. I'd now like to introduce to you my battle buddy, Command Sergeant Major Dana Wingad, the Hawaii National Guard Command Senior Enlisted Leader.
Studies show that 80% of suicide attempts could have been prevented if someone just showed they cared. You have to ask the hard question, especially when our intuition, our gut, is alarming us that something is wrong. We have to care enough to get someone to help. Suicide or thoughts of suicide is difficult to talk about, but as soon as it gets out in the open, the easier it is to reach out for help. Having a connection to just one person, a number, a text could save a life, could save your life. Although we are spread across many islands, we are all united in our resilience and aloha. It takes courage and strength to humble yourself to reach out for help. It takes even more strength to accept it. Connect to protect, to save lives. There's always a way to reach out.
Aloha kako. I am Brigadier General Moses Kaoiwi, Commander of the Hawaii Army National Guard and the Director of the Joint Staff. Over the years, the Hawaii Army National Guard Risk Reduction, Resilience, and Suicide Prevention Program, known as R3SP, has put forth great efforts in reaching out to the units for training, conducting unit risk inventories, and implementing risk mitigation plans. This year, the Department of Suicide Prevention theme for Suicide Prevention Month is Connect to Protect, reminding all of us to stay connected, especially during this period of COVID-19 social distancing restrictions. We all need to connect with someone to share our feelings and have someone listen with no judgment and with empathy. If you feel burdened with the stress of life to the point you can't bear it, connect with someone important to you and share your burdens. For those of you who may have family or friends that are going through difficult situations, please reach out and connect with them. Listen without judgment and just be there for them. While the COVID-19 restrictions have limited our ability to make personal face-to-face contact, we can still connect through today's technology. Social networking applications and new meeting applications, as well as video phone connectivity, has evolved in such a way that we can remain connected even while we are apart from one another at great distances. In many cases, connecting and sharing helps release the weight off of our shoulders, it reduces stress, and becomes a cathartic method to persevere through rough situations. Therefore, I encourage all of you to be creative in using today's technology to reach out, connect with someone, and share. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this message. As a rank commander, I am committed to the health and well-being of our soldiers, but I need your help to help one another. So please connect to protect. Mahalo, ahuiho.
Aloha, I'm Command Sergeant Major James Jimenez, your Hawaii Army National Guard Command Sergeant Major. Growing up on Kauai, providing service to the community through the Postal Service, and growing up in the Hawaii Army National Guard, I've been able to see the many changes in how we address the needs for our mental health in the community. How can we have a ready and resilient force if we are not able to take care of our mental well-being? In order to do that, we must reach out and connect with the resources available to us, provided by our local community and through the Hawaii Army National Guard. I encourage you to connect and protect with those we care about. Remember to be kind to yourself and talk to someone if life gets too overwhelming. Don't face this fight alone. We all need a little help at some point in our lives, so please, take the time to review the resources at the end of this message. We commend and congratulate you all for the hard work and sacrifice that comes with wearing this uniform. We recognize the stress that comes with that, and we want all of you to know how important you are to the Hawaii Army National Guard and to us. We are Hawaii's finest, and we thank you for your service. Be resilient, choose life. Aloha.